Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Astra. Astra is a powerful controller who uses cosmic energy to dominate the battlefield. Her unique ability to place stars anywhere on the map provides incredible flexibility. You can use these stars to block enemy advances, create strategic choke points, and set up devastating plays for your team. Mastering her star placement is key to becoming an effective Astra player and controlling the flow of the game. Let's dive into Astra's core mechanic, her stars. You can place up to 5 stars on the map at any given time. These stars are your primary resource for all her abilities. One powerful use is activating a star into a gravity well. This ability pulls enemies towards its center for 4.5 seconds, slowing them down before a final concussive blast. It's excellent for stopping rushes or isolating targets. Next, we have Nova Pulse, another ability activated from a placed star. This pulse concusses enemies within a large radius after a brief delay, making them vulnerable. It's perfect for clearing tight corners or interrupting enemy abilities. Finally, Astra's ultimate, Cosmic Divide, creates an enormous two-way sound-blocking wall. This wall blocks vision and most incoming damage, lasting for 20 seconds, allowing your team to push or retreat safely. For advanced Astra tactics, always try to keep at least 1 star available for reactive plays. This allows you to quickly respond to enemy pushes or unexpected flanks. Combining gravity well with Nova Pulse creates a devastating combo, trapping and concussing enemies in a single area. Remember to communicate your star placements and ability timings with your team. Finally, use Cosmic Divide to split bomb sites, block enemy rotations, or safely plant and defuse the spike.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.